I'm Jamila, and I have so many wonderful friends. Hi, Jamila Babilla. There's Pip and Posy.
You're a dragon?
No. Oh, you're a dinosaur. And Snap. And Frankie. I'm Lunch. And we always have fun together. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, bang, bang. Pip and Posy and Zack and Frankie don't have wings, but I have loads of other friends who do. Morning, Birdie. And my special flappy friend, John. He's always hungry. And so are all his friends. Our feathery friends are always on the lookout for a snack. Hey! Come back! Sometimes they get lucky. Ooh. Yummy. And sometimes they don't. Like all my friends, they sometimes have disagreements with each other. And one of them always wants to be the best at something, usually Matilda. Go on, Matilda, you can do it. Who's Matilda? The fastest duckling in the park. She's going to get to the punch first, Pip. Look out, Matilda! Yes, she did it! Woohoo! Most of all, they like to mind their own feathery business. Vulture ahead! Probably because they find us a bit strange sometimes. Why, Pip? Why now? This way! Surprise visitors? They're not always welcome. Ooh. Yay! Our flappy beaky friends love flying, but not with kites. Is this the one you're after? Oh! Quick, grab it! That's it, Posy! Great, you got it! Go on, silly guy, go down! They all like different things. The crows like creepy crawlies. I really love the sand, I love to dig in it. We will have so much fun. And the ducklings love playing chase the worms. I hope it's not my friend Victoria. Go, Posy, go! Whoa, 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 whoa! The magpies like shiny things. Oh!
What should we do with this?
Yep, they really like shiny things. What they like best is being part of our adventures, even if they're a bit cheeky. Hey! Come back! Naughty Birdie! Silly John. Bye, birdies. See you next time.